Hello everyone, welcome to our daily stock review. Before we begin, I strongly recommend subscribing and pushing that bell notification button so that you'll never miss another video. I am Troglodyte from SimpleTrade, and today I want to discuss with you the stock SPQS. Before we begin though, you might have noticed the quite strange situation in the market. Many red days one after the other. One might think that this is the end of OTC, but it is quite the opposite. This market presents many opportunities. A market needs red days in order to have green days as well. In these days you should act carefully and stick to your plan. Do not let impulse guide you. And now let's get back to SPQS. The stock already ran 4,500%. Just this week it increased its value by 80% once again. Let me show you what happened. Due to the deadline posed by the SEC on the 28th of September, SPQS was continuously falling as it was still under the stop sign. It fell as low as 0004. Then, on the 17th of September, SPQS tweeted that they have received approval from OTC markets and they will start filing everything as fast as possible. That tweet caused the stock to rise in price, beginning its run. Since then, the company has uploaded many filings and was upgraded to the limited tier status. The hot catalyst about SPQS is that it is in a merger process, which is being managed by Myanmar Group. 2 days ago, the company and Myanmar Group stated in their Twitter the following: SPQS merger candidate will be announced via Friday tips with images of one of the leading USA manufacturing and distribution corporations. Meaning the merger candidate is to be revealed today according to the company. That is huge news, and it is the reason for the 80% rise these past few days. It will be mighty interesting to see how things will turn out for SPQS. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Always remember, act upon your plan. Don't let impulse take control. In times like these, a strong community can help a lot and guide you to success. Make sure to join our community of SimpleTrade. Simply follow the links to Discord. Good luck to you all!